Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We are talking about the S visa and the status. Now, here's the issue. There are some miscellaneous tips and advice that I need to let you know about the S visa because we've done several videos. Um, Keep in mind that S status is reserved for the most important investigations and prosecutions, not just anyone. It is not widely used by the authorities, and S status is a frustrating and difficult area of both immigration and criminal law practice. It does require a good negotiating skills and on the part of the attorney, because if the government doesn't want to help, they'll just close the door. Keep in mind, S status can be promised to a client in order to obtain cooperation, but then never pursued by the government, which is unfair, but that's the reality. Um, it would be advisable to not give the testimony and information until the S visa is actually submitted and sent in. There's been a great deal of red tape when it comes to the S visa. Basically, most agents want to avoid the tedious paperwork, which for my firm, that's why we try to prepare everything we can and just put it on their desk. Um, and despite the challenges, um, you should obtain, or the attorney should obtain, written and verbal commitments to process and help with the S visa. It should be obtained in the letters, the plea agreements, the discussions. Um, Keep in mind that this should be required before the testimony, and that uh, many times the government or the law enforcement agency will want to put everything off until the end, which of course won't help you because you've already given the testimony and all before the visa would be issued. Then it's not going to work. They're not going to be wanting to help you. Um, Keep in mind that S status is not a gift. What it is a mechanism to keep the witness safe and physically present. And then, of course, there's no guarantees that it will be issued. So that's basically what the situation is regarding the S and some pointers on the S.